What's up?
Sorry?
What's up?
Sky.
You feeling warmer?
My ears are freezing.
Rest of your body though?
Yeah, it's all right now. I'm still those cold ears, you know, the achy kind.
Sure.
I should remember to wear something over my ears next time.
Well, the harder you work, the more you'll sweat.
It won't change the wind going past my ears though.
Nope.
That's the cool part.
I think work like this increases circulation and the body's ability to adapt to better circulation. If you test yourself aerobically, I think you teach your nervous system to react appropriately. Just like muscles, they grow if you use them more, right?
Yep.
So when I was training for the marathon, I was running in this trail quite a bit. It was a softer landing.
Yeah, that's one thing that's hard on me and my knees is running on hard surfaces.
Yeah.
Are we going uphill?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. That's why I was feeling sick.
Why did I get so tired all of a sudden?
Yes. What's wrong with me?
Yep. We're not getting super amounts of elevation, but we're already 4.3 miles in.
How many?
4.3.
It's my brother's birthday today.
Yeah, I heard you call the girls.
What?
I heard you on the phone with the girls calling him.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, birthday messenger.
So I think one of the reference points for the fact that we were going up a hill was the fact that we couldn't see that other side over there.
Yeah, that's a good point. I see a bug. Blech.
Gross. So 4.5 miles from the trailhead. Yep. Nice. This gives my muscles a little recovery time.
I wonder how Tony is. His legs are moving.
He's probably feeling it. Maybe you need a visor on your helmet that helps you send the airflow further away from your face.
I don't know. Maybe. Well, you don't have that big a visor.
Maybe my mustache does it all.
I will be getting a mustache.
This is so beautiful. I love it. It's like fast forwarding nature.
That's a good way to look at it.
Have a good day. I wonder wonder how many people take my skeleton outfit as an omen.
What?
An omen of some sort.
How so?
Well, maybe they see a skeleton fly by and think, oh my god, death is coming for me. Well, I've got comforting words for them. Skeletons aren't neon yellow, baby. Or green, whatever this color is.
It's neon green. Lime green. Fluorescent green. Do you wear socks?
No,
No?
no.
Ouch.
Oh, it feels great. Yeah, I'm not in pain at all. Maybe it might be an ouch stink factor.
It seemed like your feet would rub inside your shoes.
Yeah, it's been surprisingly comfortable.
Too bad when I come see you, I can't just bring my bike on the plane when you're gone.
Well, you can. It's just you have to get like one of those bike carriers.
These.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Oh, it's getting. I forgot about bells.
It's nice. It doesn't have a assist. It doesn't look like it anyway.
A what?
Like an electrical motor.